Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's have a close look at the Nike Dunk Wasted Youth collab. Being patient in the sneaker game pays off. The first time these sneakers dropped, resellers spiked its price to unreasonable heights, which is not that uncommon really, but I'm glad people didn't buy into that hype, and as the months passed by, the price went down. Still unreasonable, but at a level of acceptable, at least for the sneaker culture. It comes pre-laced in black, but I think the red one is the best option for this. The black lace doesn't really add much to it. The red, it makes it pop. The materials are a mix of denim and leather, with the words wasted and youth embroidered on each heel tab. The swoosh on the lateral side is actually stitched only on certain parts, as it's meant to be torn off while skating, which is probably not gonna happen on my pair. I'm not a skater. The swoosh on the medial side is ornamented with an embroidered rose, which was a really nice touch. Surprisingly hard to wear even though it's mostly black. I guess the texture makes it trickier to wear. Also, it's punk inspired, and I don't think I have that in me, nor in my wardrobe. Maybe that's why I find it tricky to wear. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.